Okay guys, so after that thought it was more of a, I haven't actually taken a picture for the thumbnail, so we just quickly did that. Okay, so we're going to start by unboxing the Parkside. Oh, you can see that, bear with me, you can see. Okay, so we're going to unbox the Parkside corded one. So it reckons it's 3,700 RPM. It's got a minimum of 100 Newton meters for doing up bolts and an undoing torque of 500 Newton meters. It's 550 watts and it reckons it's got a 3 meter lead. We're probably not gonna measure leads if I'm honest. So there we go. So there's the actual. Ooh, can you see that? See my lovely face. I will get round to work this out. This old shooting film. So there we go. That's what we've got so far. Okay, so let's open the box and we'll see what's in it. So we'll just pause. So I thought what we'd do, rather than me standing there holding it, wafting it around, you look at my ugly mug, we're going to open it. Oh, right, so let's get comfy on the floor. Should really be doing this in the shed, but I won't tell my missus if you don't. Ooh, so as you can see there, it's saying it's 500 watt, 500 Newton meters, 100 Newton meters of tightening torque, 3,700 RPM, and it is a 1/2 inch fitting. Okay, so let's get this box open then. This is going to be interesting one-handed. Oh god, bear with me. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't working. Bear with me. I'm trying to trash the box. You know when you do unboxings, maybe you should really like pre-plan this, maybe. Bear with me, team. Okay, now I don't condone using knives, however, because I am poorly prepared, I'll get that. So let's get the box open. It's really quite difficult doing it one-handed. Jesus, where's it? Freaking ton. Come on, come out. Trying to do this one-handed is really quite difficult. I'm not gonna lie. Hang on. Okay, so when you get out of the box, you are met with quite a nice hard case. It's got 2 clips, one there and one here. Totally unscripted this, as you can see. Okay, so no more clips anywhere we can see. Oh, and as per there's a little zip clip there. We'll just get rid of that. That's that bad boy open. Okay, so I think this is the top. So, okay, inside what you've got, you get met with the actual tool. It's good. There's a good weight in it. Corded one. Okay, it looks fairly sturdy. There looks like it's the where you replace the brushes at the rear of it. So then there's the forward and back up switch there, which is there. Okay, that looks like where you obviously there's instruction book. You comes with 4 sockets, 22mm, 21, 19 and down to 17. Replacement bushes, carbon bushes, which are quite handy. I'm not sure I'll be using them, but we'll see. And also the destruction manual. Yeah, we're not going to read that. So that's what the corded one looks like. So we will be trying these. We'll be trying these in this video. We'll take it out to the car and try and whiz some of the nuts off. Okay, so that is the corded impact wrench. Okay, next we'll move on to the cordless one. Okay, again this is a Parkside, so you see the box of it mangled. This is totally unsponsored. It's an Aldi brand this anyway, but from all the reviews I've read, it's actually quite a good little tool. Okay, for some reason this hasn't got. No doubt I probably bought a Duff one here, so I'm assuming that's the sound. Okay, so yet again it is in a nice case, hard plastic case to protect it. Okay, you ready? I'm probably going to open this, it's probably not in here. Okay, so there is what we get with the impact wrench, the corded one. So in the box we've got the PARKSIDE charger. It comes with one battery. You can buy additional batteries, which I haven't done yet. And so that's charged out the box, which is nice. Okay, it feels quite heavy. You know, you've got a few settings on there, so it's set to 400 Newton meters already. Let's see if I can just focus on that one. Focus, focus. So there's torque settings there already. It looks like it's set to 400 Newton meters from doing bolts. Not really sure you adjust that if I'm. Oh yeah, there's a little switch there, and that toggles the tension of it. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's probably a really bad angle. Let's use the old plates of meat. So get the camera to focus. Is always a good start. Come on, it's probably really upset by the smell of my feet, if I'm honest. No. Oh, there we go. So as you can see that, it's got 400, 300, 200, 150 and 100 Newton meter settings. And there's a good bit of weight to this. It's quite a heavy tool. But obviously it's designed for undoing lug nuts. So there it is. So what else you get? You get the charger, and you also get the other 4 sockets as well, again up to 22mm. Okay, this is similar to a drill. In design I think it's probably similar to the DeWalt one. It's a Draper, and probably to the DeWalt Stormforce as well, to be honest with you. But that's the PARKSIDE one. So what we'll do now is we'll nip off outside. I'll get some shoes on. We'll go and see if we can whip off some lug nuts. Catch you outside. Okay guys, so we are outside and we are going to try and whiz some lug nuts off. So we're going to be using, first of all, I've not touched the lug nuts that we're going to be looking at. We're going to use the cordless one, currently set at 400 Newton meters worth of torque, and we'll see if we can crack some lug nuts. Let's have a look then. Let's get this down so you can see. Okay, this is our little project couch. We've not the flip car. We've not really looked at this, so let's get it onto the wheels. So these are 17mm. Okay, I've not touched these lug nuts, so let's see if this can crack them. Not looking too good. So PARKSIDE one couldn't crack it. Okay, let's try the plugged in one. Okay, so that was a 400 Newton meters worth of torque. Let's see if we can crack it. There we go, straight away with the corded one. That didn't have any issues getting them out. Sit back in. Let's try another one. Try one more for good luck. Okay, always helps if you go in the right direction. Yeah, that's no issues getting them out. So there we go. It seems the clear winner here at the moment is the PARKSIDE corded one. Let's try one more. Let's have a little bit of faith in the cordless one. Oh dear, we've even got the socket stuck. There we go. So, from that little test there, I'll actually say on the edge of saying that the corded one is actually not bad. We took them off. Not a great deal of trouble, if I'm honest. But what we'll do, we'll try the other wheel and see if there's any difference there. Oh god, it's a bit dark down here. Okay, so totally different wheel. We've not touched these lug nuts. Actually, we're going the right way first. Right, so we're back with the corded one. Seeing that these lug nuts are quite tight, let's try them on the BMW. Okay, so them ones on there are actually quite tight. So let's have a look at my Beamer. Okay, this is quite loud, I do apologise. So there's plenty of torque there. Let's try the cordless one again. Okay, so we have the cordless one. This is set again to 400 Nm worth of torque, so we can whip this one out. Just to clarify, we have got a fully charged battery. There we go. It's come packaged, charged, so it's not down to that. Okay. So, what's the opinions? Okay, so the opinions on these two budget impact wrenches. So, I don't know if you can see me. So the corded one, yeah, it's great actually. It's actually pretty good. It took the ones off the BMW, no issue really, I haven't really torqued them up, and it took the ones off the, gee, that's really bright, it took the ones off the Punto, so opinions on them, are they alright? I think they're not bad. Are they any match for a DeWalt or a Milwaukee or anything like that, Sealy? Probably not, but you know, you're paying 40 quid for a corded one, it's got 500 Nm worth of torque, and you're paying 60 quid for a cordless one, 400. So will it come in handy later on for other jobs? More than likely, but hey, worst comes to worst, get your breaker bar out. Anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do like what you've seen, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That way, don't forget to turn your bell notifications on, that way you're not going to miss any videos anytime I up. Anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. Peace out, catch you.